Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going over 5 different types of ramp walks for models. Okay guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling. Let's jump in. The first 2 are for our pageant models. The very first one is to go out there in your evening dress or your evening gown walk is going to be really important. Now, what's key about the evening gown walk is that you're showing off something really beautiful and really regal. So this is not really a time to go out there and do a lot of playful type movements or to, you know, have too much movement in your body when you're doing this type of a ramp walk. This is more controlled type movement, and you're really thinking about showing off what you're wearing. It's about the dress. The next one is also a pageant walk, and this one is your swimsuit walk. Now, this one is really fun, guys. So this is a great one to be playful. Usually you'll have a wrap that you can use with you, and you can use that in movements as well in your ramp walk. So it is a perfect one to have a really good time and go out there and show you your awesome swimwear that you've chosen. The next one is a fashion show. So this is just a regular fashion show. There's a lot of local type shows or international type shows, but a regular fashion show is basically a designer is just wanting to showcase their clothing. So still there's a little bit of fun in this type of a walk, but it isn't a lot of big movements because in a fashion show, it's more about what you're wearing than about you. So the focus doesn't really need to be just on you. It needs to be more about what you're wearing. So how you're walking to show what it is or to showcase what it is that you're wearing. The next one is high fashion. Now, high fashion is different from a regular fashion walk. High fashion is a more serious look, a very kind of bland look on your face. This isn't a big smile or, you know, flashy movements or anything like that. This is very, very strict, very measured movements, very important to keep all focus like you're not there. You completely disappear. So everyone is going to go out there basically looking the same, have that same look on their face, and they'll usually do your makeup very similar, your hair very similar, so that it is just about the clothing. So that's the differences also with the high fashion and a regular fashion show. And then the last one is a modeling audition. In a modeling audition, ramp walk, you're going to show them what you can do. So they want to see what you're able to do, if you can do a full turn, if you can do half turns, what types of poses you do. Do you use your accessories, you know, to show what you can do. So make sure that when you're doing a modeling audition, a ramp walk, that you are really showing them everything that you can do. So this is a great one because you can, you know, use everything that you've practiced. Make sure you check out our other videos because we've got some great tips for you on how to learn all these different types of walks, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.